If you watch my previous video, I installed two LEDs at the back. These are connected to the daytime running lights and brakes. What I'm planning to do, install two more at the front, which are going to be connected to daytime running lights and signal. And I'm going to mount them right here, one on the left and one on the right. You can basically order any kind of LEDs you want. What I'm going to show you is how to connect any LED fixture to the existing wiring. All this Fender, there is only one perfect flat spot that will accommodate this fixture. These are the reflector lights that I had on the bike, but they're absolutely the same size as the new LEDs. So, trying to find the spot which is absolutely perfect flat so that I can mount my LEDs. And that location is right here. So I have to drill 3 holes, 2 for the bolts and 1 for the wiring. Next I have to remove these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now lay down some rags and easily remove the fender, considering that you have the brake lines and wires in there. Keep it on the side so they don't hit the tire. Bit bulky, but it's flush and centered, and it's gonna look good at night. I know that for sure. Perfect straight and perfect line up. There's the shadow from the light above that makes you believe that it's not in the center, but it's right in the center. So you see this fixture that has two LEDs, one for the signal and one for the daytime running light. Behind it should be the wire right here. To remove the insulation, expose the wires, and I'll make my connection right here. I pretty much figured out the wires for this Ryker, but I'm also gonna test them so that we are 100% sure. So I have a red with some sort of a yellow, black and a gray. I believe red is for the daytime running lights, positive, black is negative, and the gray is for the signal. I got my tester, connect the black, trying to keep the wires away, otherwise you're gonna blow a fuse. And with my tester, I'm trying to figure out the positive. As you can see, I don't have any power now because I haven't started the bike yet. If I touch red, it should be my daytime running light. If I touch gray, nothing happens until I signal. So if I'm gonna signal, I'm gonna hold my tester onto gray. As you can see, I get the signal. Before I make the permanent connections, I would like to test it out. Daytime running lights on, and now signal. This should turn brighter. Beautiful, I love it. Works. Turn off the signal light. Daytime running lights on only. All I have to do is to drill some holes so I can attach this wire with some zap straps. But because I don't want to go through the fender, I only want to drill through this underside of the fender. And to be safe, and I'm not going to drill through, I'm using one of those metal blades. I'm going to place behind here. So when I drill, if my drill slips, it's not going to go all the way through. It's going to stop in this metal plate. As you can see, I have two zap straps here. And now I'm trying to get the wire behind this panel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove these two screws that are right behind this fixture. That way I can remove the fixture, get my wires in, and also I want to see what kind of bulb it is, because I might want to change that with some bright white LED 6000K, because now it's like 5000K. It's a bit different than the new LED lights. Okay, there's one more screw behind this reflector, and I'm only going to do it for this one because I want to take this fixture out to figure out what bulb do I need. Should be some clips at the back. Okay, so this is another one of those sealed units. So I can change the LEDs, but I'm not gonna take this apart, put it in the oven, reseal it, and remove the LEDs from the motherboard. But it's fine, I'm not gonna do it now. I managed to get those wires behind this panel and coming out the same spot with the factory ones. Let me explain you my wire connections. These are my new LED wires and these are the factory. On the factory wires, I remove the insulation easily without cutting the wires. Then I split the wires in half so that I can create a loop. Then I'm gonna get my new wires to get through each loop, and then I'm gonna wrap it around it. And when it's all done, I'm going to solder all the connection and insulate. Insulate them all separate and all together. All that I have left is to reattach to the existing zap strap system with a new zap strap. Added some silicone to secure and protect these bolts, to cover the whole zap strap all the way behind this panel. Insulated zap strap to existing zap strap mechanism. It doesn't bother me because my hands are right here. I don't even see it. I have to basically move a bit on the side in order to see it. When I ride, I don't see anything. I see a bit of the red here, right there, but